Happy birthday, baby. You gonna help birthday, baby? So we come to my knee or either that couch. Do that. Yeah. We birthday my baby. Yeah. He's trying to touch his hand. They're touching his hand. No, there we go. Just touch him.
Should we go ahead and post our